Well, it's done been probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks since I put the transmission in this thing and decided, or forgot actually, that I didn't check my flywheel or flex plate bolt pattern. So, you know how you get motivated and all of a sudden a little thing like that, I got enough crap to work on. So I finally jumped back on this. Got the transmission back in there, got the flex plate, you know, all lined out, drilled new holes for the small pattern of the torque converter. Got it all bolted up. I'll go ahead and show you what I did. And I'll probably throw in some pictures too. Went ahead and drilled holes for the small pattern. Made me some spacers. Gotta keep your clearance right, all right? You don't want that all the way out and you don't want it shoved all the way in. Got all that done, transmission's bolted back up. So I guess I'm gonna take and lower it back on the ground and start tidying up, you know, the wiring. Make it look a little cleaner. Well, I'm glad it did. First off, me and old Mickey Mouse goes way back. But sometimes Mickey Mouse shouldn't be Mickey Moused. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Like I say, I'm glad I went and I started checking all this because all these wires is all taped up. And I mean, by the time I got through, this wire is connected to that wire is connected to that wire back there is connected to this wire, and this wire right here is twisted to that wire back there. Well, needless to say, everything ties back to this asteroid looking soldering joint. I mean, what are you trying to do? Burn down the rig? Come on. I mean, look, I'm sitting there breaking it as I'm showing y'all. I mean, I understand making things happen. You know, Mickey Mouse, what you have to do to get by, get going. But sometimes this right here, goodness, it just shouldn't be allowed, okay? Don't do it. Just run to the parts store, or better yet, wire nut them together or something. I mean, I would be happier to see that than this gob of stuff. I'm thinking about, I'm gonna clip this off and sell it on eBay for a meteorite found on a truck. Any of y'all interested? Because I sent the ex-wife to go get me some button wire connectors, right? Sent her a picture and told her I needed blue connectors. Well, she flip-flops into the local parts store, and needless to say, the guy there says I need to be schooled. I understand technology is changing. There might be things that I don't understand. But the last time I checked, blue stands for what? 14, 16 gauge. Yellow is 10 to 12 gauge, and red is what, 18 to 22? Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm no expert, but throughout the years, that's the way it's been. So she goes in here, and how did the story go?
He asked me what gauge? Butt connector.
What gauge butt connector? The blue ones. Apparently there's different size blue butt connectors for different size wires now. And he said, that I needed to be schooled.
I told him that I was getting a lesson after I called you when I got home. He said, it sounds like you're the one that needs the lesson. So I told him forget it and let me pick the own, and you know, whatever we needed. And if it was wrong, it was on me. So,
needless to say, she got exactly what I wanted, and it's exactly right. If she would have got what he said, who the hell knows what I'd end up with?
I just compared it to the pictures.
Oh my goodness. See, this is today's society. I'm fat, but I identify as skinny, right?
Extended size.
I'm trans-slendered. I don't know what people come up with these.
He said one's waterproof and one's not.
I understand that. I've got some waterproofings over here too, but I mean, blue's blue.
He was bouncing back and forth. He don't know.
That's
He
all.
said he'd see me back later. I told him he would.
Yeah, said he's gonna see you back later. I'm in good mind giving this dude a call, teaching him something. Just a calm teaching, all right? Oh my word. Now that I identify as trans slender, I'm doing some wiring and I'm getting confused. Would that be classified as a transgender male and a transgender female? There's too much to this. I think I'm going back to being classified as being fat. I wanted to take this opportunity to tell y'all I did get some stuff buttoned up in here, but I got sidetracked yesterday with a really shitty situation. See, the septic in our house is backed up. With one man, I got to jump around and try to take care of what I needed to take care of in certain situations. Well, seeing that yesterday was Easter get-together, I had to jump out for this, go do that. And today, I mean, as you can see, I'm done been crawling under the house, pretty nasty. Got everything dug up, checking everything, trying to see what the problem is. But I wanted to let you know, I appreciate all y'all following along, subscribing, you know, all that good stuff. And I wanted to try to crank this for y'all, but realize this is the second time that it's cranked since it's been in Lady Liberty, and I'm still got issues. But I'm wanting to do this because I don't know when the next time I'm going to be able to upload a video. And this is probably going to be my only opportunity until I get other projects took care of. Oh, and I know the starter needs to be adjusted too, so just bear with me. We're getting there slowly but surely. And I done went ahead and tried to put some of my hydraulic fluid in here so it would suck down in there. But I haven't done anything today, so let's see if it'll fire off. Give her a couple of shots. That starter really sounds bad. And my battery cables is shot too. Try to tighten them up. Come on, Bertha. Choke. Where's the choke? Let's close the choke. Oh. Well, stay in there. Come on. Maybe I'll do something. Probably not. Now, will it crank back? And there we have it. Still a lot of work to do, but I'm trying to get this thing buttoned up because we do have a car show in 2 weeks. Shouldn't be a problem to get done. As you can see, it's open to headers because I had to slice the old exhaust off. I got my transmission lines tied together because the radiators, you know, of course, not right. So I need a radiator, exhaust, and this truck had a funky exhaust. I've never seen it before, anything in my life. I'll show y'all that probably on an upcoming video. But yeah, it's all done. My wiring worked out. Nothing went up in smoke, and I apologize that I didn't get y'all along for the rest of the ride, but like I said, I'm one man, and I don't trust other people to work on my stuff because of today's economy, or not economy, but today's society. A contractor or a plumber or whoever could be the best in the business, but if you go out and hire a crackhead to work under you, it ain't doing you a bit of good. And honestly, I just don't trust them. Got too much stuff laying around, and I don't want nothing to be walked off. And I don't want my attitude to go back the way it used to be. So once again, I appreciate all y'all, and be sure and check out the old website. If you see me out and about, don't be shy, say hi. Appreciate y'all.